Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Starfield Ship contains modules that exceed Reactor class. Okay, first things first, to overcome this error, you'll need to upgrade your piloting skills to a higher class. Starfield game categorizes data from A to C, from the lowest to the highest class. And this affects the size of modules you can use on your ship. Improving your piloting skills to at least rank 3, Class B, or 4, Class C, this will enable you to pilot a higher class ship. With Class C piloting skills, you can access Class C reactors, which will allow you to upgrade your ship's module beyond Class A and Class B. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Starfield Ship contains modules that exceed the reactor class. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.